I got some gift here, you guys. I got some gift. Say, I am so excited, you guys, to open this gift. This gift coming from my niece in the state, and I'm gonna tell a little bit about these gifts. So, if it's your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much, you guys, for stopping by my channel. Ruby here. And if you're not subscribed to the girl channel, please do subscribe to the channel. So stay tuned to let me show you what I got. So this, guys, I got this from my niece in the state. She do make soap, and she promised to send me this soap. So I've cut the bag last night because I got it from Thursday night, which I didn't open it, but I have not go through the soap. So now I am going to go through this soap here and see how much she send me, how much soap she send me. So this is the first one here that she sent me. She made all these soap and she sell them online. They said distilled water fragrance in it, and this is a body soap. So she have a website which is Island Paradise. So this is how the soap is. It's like a lavender and white, and they smell really nice. I don't know how much come in the package, but I know she sent me also turmeric soap. So this one is also another one here of the soap. It's also show the ingredients here and the soap. So this is a green. I have never used this before. This lemongrass, this one, and this one is lavender and lemongrass. So this is her soap that she sent me, and I'm excited to try out these soap and use them. Mostly for the turmeric one, I would like to wow. So these are the turmeric soap, and this is something that I always use to wash my face. So she sent me 2 of the turmeric soap, which is really awesome here. So I'm excited to use this soap on my face, this turmeric. This is something that I always try to use on my face, either turmeric or papaya soap. These are the type of soap. But these one, the one that you buy in the beauty supply, they are different. So she are the one that made these soap. She sell them, as I said, online, and I am really happy that she sent me couple of these soap. Yeah, wow, there's a lot here she sent me. Okay, so I have this one here. Wow, this one is grapefruit here. This is grapefruit. This one has a little bit damage, and this one is Gemai. I don't know what this is, but I know these are bad soap that she sells. So she sent me a lot. Like, I didn't know she sent me so much of these soap. So I'm gonna go into these. Oh, she sent me more turmeric. These are so nice, you guys. I'm gonna use it on my face. I like turmeric soap. The turmeric soap is not really, like, they're not really rough. And this one is also another one that she also sent me here. And also this one, key line. This is another one that she sent me. So these are the soap that my niece sent to me, and thank you, niecey. She have a website, Island Paradise, where you can go if you're interested to purchase. So I got 5, 8, I got 9 soaps. And I'm gonna use these to shower. I want to try them out to shower because I have never used these type of soap before on my body. So I'm gonna use these to shower. So these are the soap, and she have distilled water in it. There's not a lot of ingredients, but as I said, she made these from scratch, which is really, really good. So I just want to say thank you so much again for watching. And please subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell. That when I do upload a video, you can be notified. And I want to say God bless you. Thank you so much. And I will see you in my next upload. Bye-bye.